That is so true. We only see what he does on the field. We don't actually see the hours and hours and days and years of hard work goes behind an effort like that. Arun Singh Kumal, the IPL chairperson, Anurag Thakur's there as well in the house. Their last league game here at Dharamshala. Field. Least a single and that'll be it. Another expensive over, 12 from it. And 9 overs gone. Kings, they need to recover. They're stuttering at 80 for 4. As we take a break for the CATI strategic timeout.
Ultra Rare Museum Grade Diamond. दुनिया में बस कुछ ही लोगों के पास है।
इससे अनोखा क्या है?
कमला पसंद, सिर्फ एक अनोखा स्वाद। कमला पसंद पान मसाला।
प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच सिर्फ एक, लेकिन जियो हॉटस्टार पे T20 लीग देखते हुए हर कोई बन सकता है विनर ऑफ द मैच। जीतो धन धनाधन। मैच देखते हुए जीतो टैब पर जाओ, नए कॉन्टेस्ट खेलो, आसान सवालों के जवाब दो और जीतो धमाकेदार इनाम जैसे मोबाइल फोन और वाउचर्स। जीतो धन धनाधन।
On JioStar, click here. Order your food. Grab exciting discounts without missing a single ball. Match on, punch on.
And that might be a run out. They've done it. RCB.
But 2 of those 3 wickets, or rather 2 of those 4 wickets, gone from Leo's guys. And Shreyas again, that length ball, brilliantly bowled by Raseem. Bit of a partnership between Cooper Conley and Suryan Shetty. Cooper Conley last long. Got a start, 37 of 22. Kings now need 143 of 66. Yeah, Bhuvneshwar now. Another couple of wickets added to his tally. Holds the purple cap as we speak. Hazelwood a little expensive. Rasik's been good this afternoon as well. Ashlevi did well to get to 122. Half centuries for Virat Kohli and Venkatesh Iyer. Padikkal also playing a very important hand. That's the end of the CATI strategic timeout. Now Kings need 143 of 66 with 6 wickets in hand. Catches of the season. Oh, Jitesh, brilliant from him. Without the gloves, but brilliant again. Jitesh, he hasn't scored a lot of runs this season, but he's been magnificent behind the stumps. Jitesh Sharma. The evergreen. Well, you let us know what you think about those catches and what's your best catch this season. Let us know online. Vote for your favorite catch as we see Krunal Pandya into the attack. He's such an interesting bowler because you don't know what you're going to get from him. Could be a bouncer, could be a yorker, could be a usual left-arm orthodox like this one. Or a bent front leg. Round arm as you get. Talking of variations, he's got variations plus.
Okay, what he has tried to do is try and stay ahead of the curve, especially in a T20 format. Anything you can do to minimize damage.
intelligent. He's very smart. There are limitations, but he knows how to work with those limitations. And talking about intelligent, yeah, intelligent investing is like cricket. Not every ball is a six, but patience wins the match. Start small, think long term. That's the power of intelligent investing.
Yeah, you mentioned intelligent. In this format, especially with whatever has happened, the way bowlers are getting caned, flogged, whatever word you want to use, he's trying to get an edge over the batter by doing different things. By bowling round arm, suddenly surprising a batter with a bouncer. Not that fast arm. Do something like that, wide Yorker, as I said, bend front leg, anything to get an edge.
It's so difficult to line him up. All those variations that Karthik's been talking about. Well, the round arm, bent knee.
He's very confident bowling it, isn't he? He just pulls it out. He just the bow. Such a change of pace. Yep, the only one with 2 player of the match awards in the finals. Krunal Pandya.
Knowledge. But that carry. There are 6 singles from that over. 86 for 4.
Sidhu, can I get some tickets for Tata IPL? Sunil, can I get some tickets for इसने भी काट दिया भाभी वो tickets मिलेगा क्या काट दिया Papa, our RuPay credit card gives us Tata IPL tickets 24 hours before anybody else. It's RuPay. Ask your bank
Fine,
for
वो वही
RuPay
मैं
credit
देखता हूँ.
card. RuPay on the edge. कपिल, Tata IPL के लिए कुछ टिकट चाहिए क्या? स्वागत है दोस्तों इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग में. यहाँ पोल्यूशन में सांस अटकी है और ऊपर से धुएं का डायरेक्ट हिट सीधे नाक पर.
Suyash. Another half tracker. The only advantage he has when a couple of runs. He's alright. He looks alright.
Well, that came in like a rocket because Jacob Bethel, was with him on the hand, is it? Jacob Bethel has got a very strong throwing arm. One of the better fielders on the circuit. Not quite sure where that hit. Yet.